I finally got most of my wish order. So I'm not exactly sure how much of it I got, other than I've got like 8 pieces now that came in the mail. And I had ordered 10. So basically what I did was I went onto the Wish app, and then I looked for things that said free. And if it was something that I thought I would like or use, I went ahead and I ordered it. Now, free doesn't mean that they don't cost anything, because you still have to pay shipping. So essentially I ordered 10 items and I paid like $64 and I don't know, 10 cents, something like that. So it essentially came out to $6.41 an item. So now I just have to figure out, you know, what has come, if it's what I ordered, and then I'm gonna do a try on so that you guys can see, you know, what everything looks like. So some of these, I've at least got them down to this inner package. Some of them haven't even been opened at all. So this is the first thing that I'm going to open. And, okay, that's just kind of interesting. This stuff, this feels like that cheap lining that's used on like skirts and jackets and stuff. In absolutely no way a quality fabric. While the lace looks pretty, it's kind of rough, kind of, and it certainly has no, how would you put it, no elasticity or give or anything. It's very stiff, and this is supposed to fit over shoulder. I can't imagine how this is going to fit. I mean, but I'm going to be trying this on in a bit if I can get it on. Next bag. So, this one, okay, this one has 2 skirts. These were like the only ones that were left, and because, you know, when something says free on it, I'm assuming that they just sell out like crazy. And let's see what they are. Okay, you know that really chintzy LuLaRoe skirt fabric that is, they call it like their slinky fabric or whatever? This is like that, but worse. I mean, I didn't think there could be worse. So this is a skirt. Let me show you. Yeah, that's interesting. And then this should be a red one, this same style, because I just want to do a couple little, you know, kind of wiggle slash pencil type skirts. And so I got a red one too. Okay, this item I believe is the one that was like the only thing that didn't say free on it, and that I actually paid in addition to the shipping. So this is supposed to be a cute little surplus dress. So yeah, and then this is it's got a little belt, so we'll see how that goes. And I took into account that these sizes were Chinese sizes, so I ordered up like a couple sizes. So, I don't know. Oh, this one feels like trash bag material that it was closed up in. And not even the expensive trash bag material, but some pretty dang chintzy trash bag material. So, oh! These are the steampunk goggles that I ordered these for my husband. It is his Valentine's gift, so. Oh, those are kind of cute. I'm all steampunky. So yes, those go to my husband to go on his hat that I'm going to make him, so that when we go to the Steampunk Festival in Big Bear, he'll have something really cute to wear. All right, what else do we have? So, oh, think these are the tights or stockings or something that I'd ordered. It says that they are 80% lamb's wool. So hey, I got something other than polyester, which is kind of shocking because, yeah, this is all some sort of polyester crap, all of this. Maybe the skirt is not, but I don't think I've ever seen such tacky sewing in my life on that skirt. Not the skirt, the gray dress. I mean, yeah. Okay, so some soft stockings. We'll have to see whether this will actually fit me because since I gained weight, my legs have gotten a little bigger. Okay, let's see what this one is. I got one. Huh. I thought I had more packages than this. Maybe I don't. This would be the 7th thing I'm opening. And it's been a while. I ordered this stuff like the very beginning of January. And you know how Wish has this, if you can wait 2 weeks, well, this was a hell of a lot longer than 2 weeks. And it was a pain in the butt. Okay. I kept waiting every day. Is it going to come? Is it going to come? And it all just came in dribs and drabs. I mean, I've seen some people who do unboxing and their stuff all came in one box, but I don't know. Maybe they were ordering from the same seller. So this top, I bought this to go with the green skirt. So it has lace at the top and it's kind of weird looking. I mean, seriously, this has been, oh, I better not pull too hard on that. That looks like it's going to come undone. The fabric itself is like, you know, the inexpensive scarves, you know, the chiffon scarves. That's what this fabric is like. And so that's the top. So I'll be trying that on with the green skirt. We'll see how that actually looks. This is the last actual package, though I did get eyeshadow because, you know, it said it was free. And I'll do another video and I'll swatch that eyeshadow for you guys so you can see, you know, whether the colors actually show up, how pigmented it is, what kind of fallout it has. I'm not thinking it's going to be that great since, you know, I essentially paid shipping for it and that was it. Okay. Oh, these are the leggings I bought. So I bought these very interesting leggings that were supposed to look like that shiny fabric. Oh my god. Seriously. I ordered like a large. This is a large, guys. This is a large. And that fabric looks absolutely nothing. This looks nothing like the fabric in the picture. I don't even know what to call this. Oh my god. And this is how their stitching is inside. I don't know if you can see that because it's black, but I mean, seriously. I know they're not getting paid much for this stuff, but that just kills me. So I am going to take a second. I'm going to try on a few things and be right back with the first outfit and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I'm kind of embarrassed to even be in a video in this. Let me see if I can go far enough so you can see the whole thing. I feel a little bit like a stuffed sausage and this top is really, really uncomfortable. I mean, look at this. It just, the way it hits the neck and it doesn't even lie right in the back. I mean, they just did not cut this anatomically at all. I mean, I can't believe how ridiculous this is. Yeah, look at this. Look at it. Just it sticks up like crazy. Okay, so on to the second outfit. Okay, so this is that chiffon top. This is like a large or an extra large, and it is so small. It is freaking ridiculous. I mean, I don't know what they think. They, you know, advertise this stuff in, you know, American sizes, and it doesn't work. And I read the reviews too on this top. I'm like, who's writing these reviews? Because I'm not sure if these reviews are being written by people who actually purchased it. And this lace, this looks absolutely nothing like the picture either. I mean, it just is a hot mess. That is the only way to put it, a hot mess. So let's try something else now. Okay, so this is the gray dress. So far, I think it's fit the best out of everything, though the arms are a tad tight, and I'm worried about it possibly shrinking. So it means I'll probably just hand wash it and hang it to dry. But this one is one of the few that I actually paid for. This was advertised as like $8, so this one wasn't free. I just saw it and I thought it was really cute. So I guess that old adage, you get what you pay for, is definitely true. So now I'm on to try the last item that I can try on, because I'm not going to try the socks on. I figure you don't want to see me modeling silly socks, so we'll get these odd pants. I don't know what, I have no idea what this freaking fabric is, because it's like nothing I've seen in my life. So I will see you in a sec. Okay, so I went ahead and just put my blouse I was wearing on before. Oh my god, these things are so tight. I think they're okay, but they're just odd. I mean, I don't know what to say about them. I really don't know. I mean, I might keep them. They might be good for lounging around the house. I don't know if I'd have the guts to go outside in them. So basically, almost everything I got was a miss. I mean, I'll keep the gray dress. I'll keep the two sort of pencil-y skirts. Those were fine. But the tops were freaking atrocious. There's no way in heck that this was a size large blouse. No way. So, and actually I think it might have even been an extra large. So if you want to try Wish, then I would warn you to be very, very careful with the sizes, to go up. I mean, I think going up 2 sizes was not enough. I think, you know, going up maybe 3 or even 4 might have helped on some of these. Another thing is, they're crappy, okay? The 2 blouses are so freaking crappy, it's not funny. I mean, I think even if they fit, I wouldn't want them. Thank goodness they were under, you know, like the free with shipping. I mean, I'm not going to get my shipping back on it, but at least I wasn't, you know, I don't feel like I've really paid anything. So basically, I'm going to keep the pants, the socks, the gray dress, which was actually kind of pretty, and these 2 skirts. And since I can't send the blouses back, I mean, like I said, they were free with just shipping, so what would I get? I wouldn't get my shipping back. I'm going to donate these to either the Senior Citizen Center thrift store, or we have a shelter for people who have who are escaping domestic abuse. So I might go ahead and donate these there, because maybe there's, you know, maybe if you're super teeny tiny, this might lay better on you. But yeah, it just didn't work for me, and it annoyed me horribly, because I don't consider myself a humongous person. I don't consider myself, I mean, I know I've gained a lot of weight and I'm no longer that size 0, but I mean, I'm only a size 8. You know, sometimes I can fit 6s. That's not that big of a you know, a size, even though American sizes I know have changed. It's just, I don't know, Wish needs to up their game. They need to work on this. They need to get rid of sellers who are peddling crap. And another thing is, I had ordered the first time off of Wish well over a year ago, and I wasn't really thrilled with the stuff I got. But I mean, it worked. I wore it. And I thought, well, I'd give it another try. You know, I'm still seeing the same crappy clothes from almost 2 years ago. Well over a year. I mean, do they not change any of their shit? I mean, they're just continuing to peddle out the same crappy, ugly crap. I mean, because I'm sorry, most of this stuff is not cute. I mean, it only looks cute in the picture. And I'm thinking those weren't even the real garments. They're, you know, these are knockoffs of whatever garments are in the pictures. So, yeah, definitely buyer beware. And if you're not willing to, you know, have a lot of misses in your order, I wouldn't suggest Wish at all. So this will be my last Wish unboxing. The only thing I'll be doing will be swatching that eyeshadow, and then I have no idea what the last thing it is that I ordered because I did not get all 10 of my items. So I'll have to look and see what it is and then either contact them or, I don't know, file a claim. Depends on if I don't think it was something I paid for, so I guess I'm just going to be SOL. But you know what? Hey, if it didn't get here, I should get a replacement at least, right? So I hope you guys have a good day. And yeah, buyer beware. Definitely buyer beware on this. Bye-bye.